US President Donald Trump is unhappy with the new iPhone models. He wrote about this on his Twitter page, addressing the message to Apple CEO Tim Cook. Donald Trump said that previous models with the home button were more convenient than the latest gadgets released by Apple. To Tim Cook, the button on the iPhone was much better than the swipe, Trump wrote. The home button has ceased to be used on the iPhone X, sales of which started in the fall of 2017. In previous iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, and 8 Plus models, Apple has replaced the physical home button with a touch button that simulates vibration tapping. In total, Trump has 3 iPhones, 2 of which were set by the National Security Agency against listening, and the third is no different from the millions of Apple smartphones that are used around the world. Journalists from the New York Times found that US President Donald Trump neglects warnings from US intelligence agencies that his iPhone is regularly tapped by Russian and Chinese intelligence. Apple in early 2020 will release a smartphone iPhone SE2, which will have an external shell iPhone 8 and the stuffing iPhone 11 with a 1.3 chip. September 20th, Apple released a mobile version of the operating system iOS 13. Apple has released a mobile version of the operating system iOS 13. OS can be installed on iPhone starting with model SIXS. In this version, a new dark mode has appeared that changes the look of all applications.